Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a cute sublimation Valentine's Day shirt. I used my SAWGRASS SG1000 printer and I'm using the heat press. I got some Laughing Giraffe 65% poly, and then I have 100% poly. So I'm going to kind of see the difference between the 65% poly and the 100% poly. And we're going to press these two cute designs from Monogram Moments. If you're unfamiliar with sublimation, it prints mirrored and then it looks a little faded, so it's going to look so much more bright and vibrant once we press it. So let's get these shirts prepped and ready. And also today I'm going to be trying something called a T-Pad It from Heat Press Nation. It's these little pads that almost look like mouse pads that you put under your blank, so that way the pressure goes directly to the place you're wanting to sublimate, versus, for example, the collar may get in the way or this little ruffle. So it raises it so that way little items don't get in the way. So I got the T-Pad bundle. It came with a sleeve one. I'm so excited to try a sleeve. And then I believe these are for like chest logos, for like collared shirts or zippered, or these are for probably even baby onesies. So I'm excited to try that. And then this one I bet is for adult shirts. I'm not quite sure, but huge. So I got all these in the bundle from Heat Press Nation, and I'll link that below. Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to pre-press our shirts and get the moisture out. I have it set to 385. That's what Laughing Giraffe recommended for their blanks, so I'm going to try it. And we're going to do a pre-press and then we'll get it started. Okay. So you just want to pre-press it to get the moisture out, and then we're going to lid roll it. We're just going to do like 10 to 15 seconds, and then I'm going to probably fold it in half just to try to find center. It was funny, I had printed these shirts yesterday, or printed the designs yesterday. I was so excited to do them, and then my heat press died. So my handy husband, gosh golly, I thought I was getting a pink heat press. He ordered a new circuit breaker off Amazon and it was here today and he fixed it. So, you know what? We'll get a new pink heat press when that time comes. But for now, we'll use old Bessie here. She is gonna do great. So, yep. I had it in the cart, ready to go. I'm just going out for just a second. Alright, so now we have our center line. We're going to place, I'm going to use the T-Pad. I'm just going to get it a little elevated. I might have to go inside. I'm excited to see how this works. Try to line it up with this back seam. Okay. Alright, that looks pretty cool. So I'm going to take my cute design from Monogram Moments, and then I just added the font in PicMonkey, and then I'm actually going to trim a little bit because I like to know exactly. Okay, so I like to go a little bit down, maybe an inch, not too far. About there looks good. Alright, I got the ruffle out the way. I'm not going to use heat transfer tape. Alright, so this is the 65%. I could feel a little difference in pressure with the T-pads, so I'm wondering if that's going to affect it at all. Probably should have read the instructions. So this one, I'm not going to make the mistake of trimming it before I fold it in half. That way I know exactly where center is, and then I'll trim it. So I believe they recommended 35 to 50 seconds. I'll have to see. I'm going to let it go for about 45 seconds, 50 seconds. Woo! Alright. Let's see if it works. Okay. Take this off. Okay. It looks cute. So this is a 65% poly. Cute. Let's see if I can get it better. That's so cute. I will say the red isn't the color I expected, but again, that could just be, I just matched the color there. So I think I was expecting a darker color with this. So cute though. Then the T-pad I think really helped get out of the way of the ruffle. Alright, so let's do a different angle for the next one. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to lint roll. Golly. Okay. Now it looks pretty good for forgetting to lint roll. Okay, so that's the 65. My cheeks are getting flushed because it's so hot in here. Okay. I definitely smell this. It's hot. Okay. So, first things first, let's do the whole process again. This is the Laughing Giraffe 100% poly. Okay, so we're going to do a pre-press just to get some moisture out. I'm going to discard this. You can tell it had a little bit of red. Okay. Alright. And we're going to do 10 to 15 seconds. Alright, so we pre-pressed it. I'm just going to fold it in half. Alright, so we're going to place, this should fit. There we go. Yep. So we're going to place, this one I shouldn't have to worry about the ruffle, so I'm just going to place it in the middle, and I'm just going to try this one with it over it instead of having to put it in between it. So I'm just placing the T-pad in the center. Just kind of using it as my placement of where I'm going to put, I'm going about ½ an inch down, maybe an inch. Alright, so I've already creased it in the center. So I'm just going to place this where I want it. Alright. Now I'm going to cover with my butcher paper. Alright, let's close it. And we're going to do probably 45 seconds to 60 seconds. So I think the T-pads are definitely a cool thing. Especially I'm going to be doing peplum little shirts and shirts, baby onesies with the lap shoulder. So I just don't want that to get in the way of me sublimating. So 65% works well. You definitely can tell it's vintage, but this is also watercolor design. So cute. But I am curious to see if it's a vintage look on a regular design. But this is so cute. Alright, we're at 54 seconds. Alright. Okay. So you can definitely see why you want your butcher paper. Alright, you ready? Let's see if I can do this. Wow! Look at that color! That's amazing. Oh, it's hot. Look how cute. All right, so this was from Monogram Moments as well, and I just added the little name. So we have the little truck. I do notice an outline of, I guess, where the T-pad was. So I'm curious to see, will that just come out? Would I have to repress it? But look how cute. So this was 100%, and then this was 65%. So yeah, super cute for Valentine's Day. What do you think? My next thing, I'm gonna try a pressing pillow. Do you use a pressing pillow or a T-pad? Let me know in the comments below. All right, so that's it for today. A quick and easy Valentine's shirt you can add to your shop or make for the grandkids. If you're new here, please make sure you hit subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, that helps me more than you know. And until next time, bye for now.